So the first perspective, like male, how they see a woman when she's staying alone. First of all, male, we feel that we want to protect. We are protectors, we are providers. And if you see a girl that is on the same level, it's dead. You're gonna play with that girl, but nothing, because you're mates. She's like another, she's it's another man in another body, you know?
Yeah.
You can drink, you can party, you can do whatever, but that thing of having a family together, you know?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, for you, you can be having a reason to step out, right?
Yeah.
But how other people are gonna perceive it, how they're gonna understand it, it's another thing. So if you are free, if you don't want to get married, it's okay, you can go. But you can still want to get married, but it will be hard. You understand?
It will be hard, yeah.
Yeah, maybe it's a foreigner, or as people say, diaspora, but local guys,